Hi guys. Oh my gosh, it's been a hot minute, right? It's been quite a while since I've done a video and I'm a little nervous. um, I don't normally do front facing videos. So it's a little strange and it's kind of hard to look at the lens all the time. I have to remember that it's on this side of me and not that side. So anyways, if you're seeing this, yay, thank you for watching and stopping by. It has been so long. And I haven't posted a whole lot. I haven't been making things. I have been doing some digital art, some printables. I do have Etsy shop and a Ko-fi shop. And I haven't been as regular as I would like to. So part of the reason why I'm doing this video today is to tell you that I have set up a subscription club over on my Ko-fi page. It's really hard to say Ko-fi. My lovely friend Amanda, she told me the proper way to pronounce it. Sorry if you can hear all that over there. My printer is printing. And so I like to say coffee shop because it's easier for me. I mean, I don't know. Whatever. Coffee, you know, tomato. So yeah, I started this yesterday. I've already, sorry, I'm fidgety. I'm not sitting, so I'm trying to stay the proper height for the camera. Started it yesterday. I uploaded 22 pages of my own coffee dyed paper. A lot of it is from years and years ago that I've saved. And so if you remember my journals from way back when, you might remember what my coffee dyed paper looks like. But anyways, so this subscription club is a monthly club. It's $3 per month. And basically everything that I'm going to be designing from today forward, I'm going to upload to the coffee shop, to the subscription club. You have to be a monthly subscriber to gain access to those files. I have them stored on a separate website. And so, like I said, right now there's the coffee dyed paper. There is 22 pages, or they are 22 pages there. They're all different. 2 of them are graph paper. The rest are just plain paper. I have uploaded them in US letter size and A4 size. I plan to do different sizes in the future. I'm probably gonna dive into 12 by 12 a little bit. But depending on what kind of printer you have or where you live in the world, you just pick the appropriate file for your printer. I'm also working on a fall kit. Bookmarks, tall skinny pages, journal cards, tags, some cut-up hearts. And I'm also working on a wedding / anniversary kit because my anniversary just passed in August. And so I have a lot of pictures from that and that I want to make into some sort of book. Also have a purple kit. I haven't really come up with a really good name for it. It's just purple. Purple's my favorite color, and so all of it is purple. and I have several pages of that. So that's almost done. And there's something else. I can't remember. But so for those $3 a month, US dollars, what you'll gain access to is exclusive content that I'm not going to sell on my Etsy or my coffee shop. Exclusive videos and tutorials, exclusive printables, which will include a mini kit or a monthly printable every month. And I mean, I have so many things in the works right now that there's going to be quite a bit that I'll be sharing every month for that price, that $3. I don't have different tiers. It's just all $3. I mean, $3, one level. So, if you would like to join me, I'd be so appreciative. And I hope that you will enjoy them as much as I love to design. I think that's my favorite thing right now is designing paper. I don't always make things with the paper that I design, and but yeah, I'm diving in full force now, and hopefully I will gain my viewers back. I know I still have a good number of subscribers, but it's been so long since I've been active that I don't get hardly any views when I do post a video. But right now my channel is empty. This will be the first one. And so anyways, I will include a link below to the subscription club, and then I will also include a link just in general to my coffee shop. Coffee shop prices, just for future reference, are cheaper than prices over on Etsy, because Etsy charges so much and they have so many ridiculous fees that yeah, I have to charge a little bit more on Etsy than I do on coffee shop. So I guess that's it. I will post a link to my social media, my Facebook, email, and all that kind of stuff. If you would like to reach out and ask any questions about the club. But until then, I will see you soon, because I have another video to share. I'm going to be showing the coffee dyed paper that's currently in the club, and only subscribers will be able to see that video and look at that paper. But just know that there's 22 pages right now there, so I'm excited about that. So anyways, I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you soon. Bye.